Roblox app not loading on your iPhone? This usually happens because of network issues, app glitches, or outdated iOS version. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Roblox when it doesn't load on your iPhone. Let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. And after that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search the game. Next, tap the game from here. Then scroll down. Here if you see whether the game is officially down or not. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Check for app update. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below, type Roblox. Now find the Roblox app and then tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your Roblox loading error is fixed by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.